Namaskar. My roll number CSE3. My name is Paresh S. Pandya. Today I am going to present on a topic of paper 2 and my topic RPW Act 2016. Today I am going to discuss about of a few disability according to Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016. So today we will discuss about our first disability, blindness. Blindness is defined as the state of sight. A blindness individual is unable to see the world. It means a blindness means totally darkness. A man who cannot see to the world, a man who cannot see the light of anything, so it's called blindness. Second disability of low vision. Low vision, imitation of the field of vision subtending an angle of less than 40 degree up to 20 degree. Means low vision means a man can see not totally clarification, not see can a total clear vision. He can see 20 up to 70 degree, not greater than 40 and not less than 10. It's called low vision. Next, today I am going to discuss about a hearing impairment. It is a one type of disability. Hearing impairment is a partial or totally inability to hear. It is a disability which is subdivided in two categories of deaf and hard of hearing. Deaf hearing means having 70 dB hearing loss in speech frequency in both ears. And hard hearing means person having 60 dB to 70 dB hearing loss in speech frequency in both ears. Means hearing ability means weakness of listening during some decibel sound. It's called hearing disability. Next, locomotor disability. Locomotor disability, strictly speaking, locomotor disability means problem in moving from one place to another place. One place to move another place. Disability in leg. But it is taken as a disability related with bones, joints and muscles. Locomotor disability is one type of weakness of legs. A person's feel weakness move to here place to another place. It is a locomotor disability. Next, dwarfism. Dwarfism means fatty, sort. Dwarfism is a growth disorder. Characteristic dwarfism is the one type of short height and fat heavy body. A man cannot particular body during the age, and a man who has not specific height during his age. It is a different body and age. It's called a dwarfism. Next disability, intellectual disability. Intellectual disability means it is related to mental illness disability. Mental illness disability means mental illness or mental disorder refer to substrational disorder of thinking, mood, perception, orientation of memory that grossly impairs judgment, behavior, capacity to recognize reality, and ability to meet the ordinary demands of life. Intellectual disability, in simple way we can say a child or a person cannot read or cannot learn easily with any easy matter. Yes, we cannot can say intellectual disability a man who cannot generally learn and read, because there are we are use of different types of method, so a child, yeah, a person can learn, can teach, but mental illness is a call of intellectual disability. Next, autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder (ASD). Autism spectrum is a neurological and development disorder which affects communication and behavior. Autism can be diagnosed at any age. Autism spectrum means it is a one type of damage of joints nerves. Next, we are going to discuss cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is a disabling physical condition in which muscles coordination is impaired due to damage to the brain. It is a cerebral palsy. Next, we are going to discuss about of the specific learning disability. It is related to intellectual disability, mental illness related to this disability. Specific learning disability is a group of disability condition that hampers a person's abilities listen, think, speak, write, spell, or to mathematical calculation. Specific learning disabilities disease, the person who is suffering of specific learning disabilities, he cannot learn, read in easy way, he cannot calculate of simple counting. Next, we are going to discuss our speech language disability. Speech language disability, a person cannot frequently fluent speech. It's some problems of brain, neurological. He cannot easily frequent as way as a normal man speak. He cannot speak easily. Next, today we are going to discuss about thalassemia disability. Thalassemia is generally it is related to red blood cells. It is a lack of hemoglobin. A person who is suffering from his birth, he feels thalassemia. He or she has a problem of red blood cells. He has not fully totally hemoglobin, so he is suffering from thalassemia disability. And next, disability of multi-disability including deaf blindness. Multi-disability is the simultaneous occurrence of two or more disability conditions that affect learning or other important life function. It is one type of intellectual disabilities related. So today we have a lot of discuss, and we have a few disability. We have discussed about a few disabilities. In fact, according to the right of with Persons Disability Act, according to this Act, 21 disability. So, but we have some few disability you have discussed. Thank you.